Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I am going to do a drop test of the Amazfit Bip U smartwatch. So Amazfit Bip U and the Bip U Pro has similar type of display and the glass used in them are also similar. So in this video we will see whether the display of the Amazfit Bip U and the Bip U Pro are durable enough and whether it is good for our day-to-day usage. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So here is the Amazfit Bip U, and the reason why I'm telling that Amazfit Bip U and the Bip U Pro's display are similar because I have been searching what is the display of the Amazfit Bip U is made of, and you can see on the Amazfit website only it is written that the Amazfit Bip U is equipped with a 1.43 inch TFT screen, and this is the same screen size of the Amazfit Bip U Pro, and the display of the Amazfit Bip U is made out of tempered glass which can effectively resist scratches arising from daily use. However, please note that the watch face glass may be damaged by hard objects such as grains of sand comprising quartz or keys. It seems like the Amazfit Bip U is made out of a tempered glass, and also it has an anti-fingerprint coatings. It's not a fingerprint magnet, which is a good thing. Now we will see what is there in the Amazfit Bip U Pro's display. So this is the Amazfit Bip U Pro's display, and you can see it is also made out of tempered glass which can effectively resist scratches, and the same things are written. A layer of anti-fingerprint coating on the top of the glass is there, but it can be damaged by the hard objects such as grains of sand comprising quartz or keys. So both the glasses of the watch are similar and both can be damaged, so we will see whether it can survive the drop test today, which I am going to perform. So I will be simulating the real life usage, and I will be dropping my Amazfit Bip U from two places. One is from the chest height, from where we can drop the watch if it is loose, and also I will drop it from the pocket height if we are wearing the watch and going somewhere, and if it loose can drop it from the pocket height also. First of all, I want to show where I will drop this watch also. So I will be dropping the watch on this floor, which is a solid concrete floor, and if I drop any glass or mobile phone in this floor, it will break and shatter immediately. So this will be a real test for the Amazfit Bip U smartwatch, and we will see whether the watch survives here or not. And before dropping the watch, I want to confirm that I am not using any screen protector or anything on the top of the glass, and the back of the watch is also a plastic build, so it may completely shatter and break. If you have any Amazfit watch, do not perform this in your home. I am doing this only to see whether the Amazfit watches are durable enough and Amazfit Bip U and Bip U Pro will survive the drop test or not. So let's drop the watch. I will be dropping the watch on a count of 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the watch has been dropped. No, it's not broken actually, it has survived the drop, so it is working fine. You can see the screen is okay on the Amazfit Bip U. So now I will be dropping the watch from my chest height, and while wearing the watch on our hands, sometimes what it will happen is it can fall down from this height and it can get damaged. In this video we will see whether dropping the watch from the chest height damages the screen of Amazfit Bip U and Bip U Pro or not. So let's drop it from the chest height and let's hope for the best. So to show it completely, I am just holding the camera like this, and this is my chest height. You can see here I will be wearing the watch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think the sound of the, oh my god, it's broken guys. I think it's broken guys. No guys, it's okay. It is okay guys. Screen has survived the drop test. So now I will show the screen of the Amazfit Bip U completely and show you guys how the screen is after the drop. So let me wipe the screen and show you properly once more. So here you can see the screen of the Bip U is intact, but there are good scratches on the screen as it has dropped from a considerable height. It has got some scratches here and there, but there is no visible damage on the screen, and the screen is intact. On the other hand, the back of the watch is also fine, there is no visible damage. So it seems that the Amazfit Bip U is a durable watch and it can take a fall or drop. If you have dropped this watch, it will definitely survive the drop. So if you are buying Amazfit Bip U and Bip U Pro, it will be a good buy for you guys if you are looking for a durable smartwatch which can track your daily activities and has a good display also. Definitely software wise and build quality wise, Amazfit watches are good. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.